Hey everybody, it's Joel Peterson with the Crypto Code. Hope you guys are doing well. This is another one of my crypto prediction videos where I take 10 or so, usually more, altcoins, coins, tokens, and tell you what the price is going to be, give you my predictions, what the price will be in the next 12 to 48 hours. Again, I'm not always right, but I'm usually pretty spot on. So again, not financial advice, guys. Trade at your own risk. We're going to jump into this. I'm also going to show you the trades that I took yesterday and do my predictions, and then I'm going to jump in and show some of our students and what they've been doing, because we have a lot of requests for that. By the way, if you guys have altcoin requests that you want me to look at, make sure you put them in the comments below, and I'll take a look at them tomorrow on tomorrow's video. Again, also like, subscribe, turn on those bell notifications so you can get my videos every single day so you don't miss out my predictions. One last thing, down in the description of the video, if you want to learn our trading strategies, how we make money in crypto, how to really make money in crypto, go to the description, register for a workshop, attend the workshop, take a short little quiz, and we'll actually send you $10 in Bitcoin. Every Friday, I pay out Bitcoin. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. I pay out Bitcoin to the people that check out our workshop, take a short quiz, pass the quiz. It's not hard. Let's get started. Let me show you my trades that I took yesterday. I didn't take a lot of trades because of the ETF approval yesterday. I did take one trade here, and I'll show you this. This is the trade that I took yesterday that you noticed on the video, my injective, and I basically moved this into stop loss into profit, 258. Of course, if I would have let it run, would have made a lot more. That's okay. I don't play the game like this, guys. I like to get my profits in, hit my target, get out, move my stop loss into profit if things could back off. So as I was creating some training yesterday, I also started these two other trades here. And so I closed $139 as I was making my training video for our members, and then a quick little $17 injective. And you can see I have a Bitcoin trade going on right now that I started yesterday morning. This is actually one of our premium trade alerts that we give to our members. So we gave this to all of our members. So you see I've already locked in at some profits here, and we're heading over to our targets. I actually have a Bitcoin short set up here if we do hit our next target. And then, like I said, I showed you the injective trade right there. So I'll go through my coins today. If I want to go ahead and take any kind of a trade, I'll stop the video and start the trade. So let's get started. All right, let's start with Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin yesterday, Bitcoin, before I go into the alert, my prediction, I want to talk about the ETF. So the ETF approval happened yesterday. All 11 ETFs were approved. Everyone's excited. But understand, guys, that usually these events can be kind of a sell the news event. Bitcoin is like getting at the tops of its, like where it's getting exhausted. And so maybe we're going to go up. We think we're going to go up and hit a couple more targets, but I just want you to be fully prepared that there's a good chance that we're kind of at the end of this rally here before we have a big pullback. Because I want a lot of people who are new to understand this, that pullbacks are expected. Right now, the altcoins are pumping. All right, with that said, let's go on into our predictions. All right, looking at Bitcoin on the one-day chart, we have a current price of $47,037. It's pumping pretty fast right now, with a potential target of 44,890 on the one day. But I do want to show you the two-day chart. And the two-day chart, we are pointing at 48,022. And then let's go ahead and look at the 4-hour chart. Same thing, 48,418, and on the daily chart, 48,418. I want to show you this because sometimes on our 1-hour chart, we'll notice that we might get a little slightly different target, and then by looking at it on different time frames, we kind of get a better picture of where we're going. So it does look like we're going to go up before we go back down. So just keep that in mind. Again, potential target is 48,418 on the daily chart. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum now. Ethereum has been pumping. Yesterday had a massive pump We are current price of Ethereum at $2,641 with a current potential target of $2,715. On the daily chart, we have a current target of $2,715 on Ethereum. Let's go and look at that, 2,834. And that's what happens when things pump, is that our target just shifted up there. So somewhere between this range, it looks like this is where Ethereum is going. Guys, I want you to teach about support and resistance. When you break one support and you go above one support, it's going to the next one, all right? And when you break above it, it's going to the next one. If it breaks down below it, it's going back down to the lower support. And that's just how support and resistance works. I know if you're new, that may be a new concept to you, but I like to look at these as lines and think of like playing the old Pong game where the ball goes ding, 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 ding. That's all crypto is. It just goes back and forth through these lines, guys. If you can figure out the lines with the direction, you can do pretty well in crypto. Listen, not financial advice. Don't take my trades. Don't do what I do. I'm just the guy on the internet that just likes to do this for fun. Alrighty, guys, let's continue on here. Let's go to BNB. BNB, potential current price 315 with a potential target of 323. And on the 1-day chart, potential target of 323. Let's go look at Solana. Solana. Current price 105 with a potential target of 113 on the 1-hour chart. On the daily chart, potential target of $113. Guys, altcoins are pumping. All right. Remember, take your profits on the way up. Current price, what are we? XRP 61 cents, potential target of 65 cents with on the 1-hour, and on the daily potential target of 58 cents on XRP. So keep that in mind, guys. Remember, crypto trades in waves. It goes up and then goes down. It goes up and then goes down. All right, what are we looking at? ADA, Cardano ADA, current price 60 cents, potential target of 65 cents. And on the 1-day, potential target of 54 cents on the 1-day. AVAX, current price $39.47, potential target of $41 on the 1-hour, and on the daily, we have a potential target of $34.72. Doge, good old Doge, our little meme coin Doge. Okay, current price of 0.8569 cents with a potential target of 0.90, and on the daily, we have a potential target down of 0.81. Okay, keep that in mind. DOT, $8.48 with a potential target of $9.29 on DOT, and on the daily, potential target of $8.13 on DOT. Let's go look at Matic. Matic, current price of 95 cents with a potential target of $1.01. Let's go take a look at this at the daily. Potential target of 91 cents. Let's look at this on the 4-hour. Potential target of 105. We're getting some sell signals here on the 4-hour. Make sure you pay attention to that. We're also in the short trade zone there on DOT. So very possible, might go up a little bit, might hit that target, might not. Might start backing off here. Alrighty guys, let's go look at Link. Link, current price $15.46 with a potential target of $16.51. And on the daily, current target of $14.67 on Link. Let's go take a look at that on the 4-hour chart, see what we're getting there. We're getting a sell signal. However, we have gone from red to gray, which means we have a potential trend change. And let's go look at this on the 6-hour. Again, we have potential trend change, potential target of 615. And again, on the daily, potential target of 1467 on that. It's looking good. All right, guys, let's go look at SHIB. SHIB, on the 1-hour chart, we have a current price of all the zeros, 1044. Potential target of all the zeros, 111261. You gotta love these meme coins. Potential target on the daily of all the zeros, 1111. Look at that pump, guys. Look at that pump. That has pumped up from the 8th of January, and we've done, ships hasn't done that, 16%. We'll take that. Not too shabby. All right, guys, let's do a couple more. Let's go to Litecoin. I do think Litecoin is about to break out. $72.95, potential target of $76. And the 4 hour, let's go to the 4 hour, $76. And on the daily, down to 71.2 on the daily. So let's take a look at this again, guys. We had an up arrow. You can't see it, it's behind this candle here. We had an up arrow on Litecoin on the 1 day chart, and then we kind of revisited down here during this liquidity event, and then boom, looks like we're back on the upswing on Litecoin. So, you know, Litecoin will move a little slower than some of the other alts, but there you go. ICP. Current price of $13.65 on the 1 hour chart with a potential target of $14.73, and on the daily chart, $14.72. Let's go look at, I've got to go look at this one. Ethereum Classic. This thing has been pumping. If you noticed yesterday, Ethereum Classic went ballistic yesterday on the 10th of January. It went, what did that do? Let's go measure that. I think we went up 40, 50%, more than that. We're up to there, 53, 52, 50% in 1 day. Amazing. Guys, don't forget to take your profits on the way up. I see some profit taking happening right now. And this is what typical, you guys are going to see some profit taking. Prices will come back down. That's why we're seeing that on a lot of these on the daily chart. So let's do a proper Ethereum Classic. $30.91, potential target of $34. And then on the daily, potential target of $34. Let's go ahead and do a trade on that one real quick. Okay, we went ahead and set up our trade on Ethereum Classic. You can see that trade in place, and I will go ahead and report on that tomorrow. You can see also that our Bitcoin trade is doing really well. We're getting close to our first take profit level there, and yeah, there we go. And then we do have a short setup on Bitcoin. Whenever I do shorts, when the markets are pumping, it's a very, very quick in and out type of a short, guys. So be careful shorting in a market when markets are pumping. Alrighty, guys, let's continue on. Let's do a couple more. Okay, guys, let me know which tokens and altcoins you guys want to see. Let's do Immutable X, IMX. Is that right? Immutable X, IMX. Current price, $2.22 with a potential target of $2.40. And on a daily, potential target of $2.40 on the daily. Let's do two more. Let's go down here. We haven't done MINA for a while. Where's our good old MINA? MINA. There it is. I made so much money on this token. Not financial advice. All right, guys. Current price of MINA, $1.29. Potential target of $1.42 for the 9.74% gain, with a daily target down to 1.86 with a 8.5%. So you guys see how that goes. Crypto goes in waves. Before it goes back up, it's going to go back down. One last one. Let's go look at Ordi. Ordi got a strong sell signal on a 1 hour chart. $76.11 on Ordi, and the current price with potential target of $79.32. And on the daily chart, hey, potential target down at $66.36. I think those might be some opportunities. You want to look at some of the other sell signals. You want to see when we actually get into a short trade zone. Look at some of these other charts before you enter in any kind of a short trade. Again, remember, guys, be careful with pumping markets going into short trades. Alrighty, guys, please don't take the trades that I take, because remember, when you watch this video, the time change will be different. Plus, you need to know what you're doing. If you want to get our alerts and what we do, if you want to get our charts, our indicators, how we enter our trades, how we make money, how we automate our strategies, go down to the description of this video. Let's go and jump in and show some how the students are doing. Again, guys, these are some of our students. These are not typical results because typical people usually quit everything they ever do in life. And if you want to win at crypto, you need to be above typical. You need to be able to follow instructions. You need to not be a quitter. And you need to be in this for the long run. With that said, we've got some pretty awesome wins going in here. By the way, just to let you guys know, we uploaded the new training. If you are a member, you're watching this, we uploaded the new training for under our TCC trading. You have the new official TCC targets training that is now online. Exactly what we're showing you guys today. Alrighty guys, so here we go. Here is 12% win on ADA. Who is this? David Drewer. Congratulations, David, on your win. What do we got? 16.5% win with RNDT. Summer Rain, again, summer. Congratulations, Summer. And 11.8% win with Sand. This is Dina, one of my first wins with me cautiously using leverage. Guys, be careful with leverage. Leverage can be good if you know how to responsibly use it and you conservatively use it. Most people will lose with leverage because they get too greedy. But if you know how to use it and use it properly and you practice, you might be able to do what Dina does. No guarantees that you will be able to do what Dina does because Dina is above average. She's not your typical user. She actually takes action. She doesn't quit. And she works hard at this. And that's the kind of people that make money in crypto. If you're a quitter, if you just quit things, the first thing you try things, you get frustrated when you go through instructions, you're probably not going to make any money at crypto. But if you're a go-getter and you can stick with it, you could do pretty well. Here's another one, Dina. She did a 12% win with ADA as well. Take a look. Target indicator. Here we go. This is the targets indicator. 10% was sold in 2 hours. Obviously, yesterday we had pumping markets. Another quick TCC addictive trade win. MEXC, awesome. Brian, 31% win. Guys, don't forget that we make money when the markets go down too. So we're pumping. Everyone's excited right now. But there'll be a time when we're not pumping and we're going down. And if you know how to do this, you can actually make money as the markets go down as well. Bonk. Ryan loves Bonk. Meme coin, 26% win. Congratulations, Ryan. Sol is on fire. This is Waybot 5. I saw this one earlier. In 7 days, Peter Ziss made $1,243 with his Waybot strategy. Looks like he also did 251. Oh, maybe this is all combined between Sol, Gala, and ADA. So total profit. And then he's been reinvesting with compounding as well. That's another thing that we teach with our bot strategies. Looks like Brian has another win. 10% win with Brian on ETH. Congratulations, Brian. You're doing really well. A whole bunch of them in here. Another one from Brian, I bet you here. 48% win on Pith. Congratulations, Brian. And quick win on Matic Long. Another TCC target win. I think we showed that one. Pith. We just showed that one. One more. Quick win on Matic. 1.74%. That's respectable. Congratulations, Summer Rain. Alrighty, guys, I like to show you that because a lot of people just wonder, like, hey, does this crypto stuff really work? Yeah, it works, and you just got to learn how to do it. And you got to be committed to it and learn how to really do it. Don't sit there and fall for the scams and the tricks and the things that you see other people online. Like, a lot of people will give you their opinion where they think the markets are going, where they think this is going, but in the end, it doesn't matter what you think. It doesn't matter what you think. All that matters is the data in the charts. Are we going up? Are we on an uptrend? Are we, where are we? Where's the data on the charts? It's really just about the support and resistance and, building up your trade. So if you want to learn to do what we're doing, let me know. Go down to the description of that video and go check it out, guys. No obligation, no purchase necessary. You can go watch my workshop, take a short quiz at the end. We'll even send you $10 in Bitcoin. In the Bitcoins. Alrighty, guys. This is Joel Peterson with the Crypto Code. Hope you guys have an amazing day. As always, take massive action in life at whatever you do. We'll see you on another video. Bye, guys.